Do it again.
You know he's getting it.
There I go.
You got hiccups now.